What's up, my pungios? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys this content here, guys. It is out. The ShiftCam Kickstarter backer project here for the ShiftCam Lens Ultra is out. They've got a smorgasbord of lenses here to check out that I'm going to be going over here specifically, and then I have a bunch of dedicated videos for each one of them, as it's going to take more than just a couple of minutes to go through it all. With that said, before I jump into it, guys, down below in the links in the description will be the Kickstarter link you guys can check out and back the campaign. It's something that I highly recommend. Nonetheless, I do have to let you know that this creator package did come from ShiftCam, so I do have that relationship, but this is not a sponsored video. Let's jump into the unboxing. In this creator kit here, you have the option of choosing between a bunch of new lenses as well as filter mounts and really high quality leather cases with aluminum filter mounts built right into it. First and foremost, as you can see, they've got cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone Pro. As you can see here, the ShiftCam cases here are made out of high quality leather material. As you can see coming in here close, it's got the grooves of the leather, which is really, really awesome. This will patina over time. Built right into it here is a raised lens mount, which you can see it has their patented lens mount here for the 1X and the 3X tele here. You can see here that it's made out of high quality aluminum. Around the edges here, you got a polycarbonate material as well as aluminum buttons. That's punchy cutout, nice and clicky. On the inside, it's lined with this microfiber material, and the best part here is it's MagSafe compatible, which is awesome. You can still charge with the Anchor. You can charge output with any of the ShiftCam accessories, which is my favorite part. And then around the edges, it's tooled to be able to provide you military drop grade protection. Placing the phones here in the cases, it's super straightforward. From the bottom and up, you have a really high quality protection. You still have a bezeled edge that lifts here, so in the event that it does fall, it lands on its face and it's not going to scratch the screen. What's nice here is there is enough clearance for your screen protector just to still provide you that protection, and cover here the dynamic island. Around the backside here, you can see the camera array, as it's really nice, form-fitting to be able to connect right into your lens. The unit is still clearly compatible with the ShiftCam ProGrip, which was one of my favorite items of last year when it came out. Fits right there. You can go ahead and slap on the light here if that's what you want. And then you can add here the tripod mount if you wanted to run and gun, have it go on the go. You have that option here to shoot on the go, which is great. If you want to have the Pro Grip here as well, it is just as compatible. You can go ahead and grab it on the grip. This is really nice. It's still compatible as well. It's nice and grippy, holds on, allows you to have that cold shoe mount if you wanted to add an extra microphone or whatnot. You can even twist it and shoot vertically if you want. If you wanted to do that on TikTok, it's available as well. You've got the 75mm long range macro tele lens. This is such high quality. Just look at that build. It's all made out of aluminum. It's even got these filter mounts that you can unscrew. It protrudes out about 1 inch here, as you can see, and they use their patented filter mount here to be able to screw and mount to your phone. My favorite part about the 75mm long range macro is the ability to just blow out the background. It's so great, so nice. I highly recommend using a tripod, especially if you're shooting flowers. Addition to that, here we've got the 60mm tele 2X. The lens on this is fantastic. This is made out of such high quality glass here, multiple layers to be able to get you that clarity as well as that really great look in bokeh. It looks so great in the hand. It looks awesome. Image is really clear. It's really high quality and it just feels great, not too heavy. I had an awesome opportunity during spring break to be able to showcase this in a swimming pool. While at the pool with the 60mm 2X tele, I was able to shoot some slow-mo with the kids about 50 yards away and still being able to get a nice crisp shot. This is probably my favorite shot of my wife, and it was able to blur out the background, giving you great bokeh while still able to give you such clarity on the subject. I took some shots around the pool. It's such great fidelity here. Hi, While in Vegas, I had the opportunity to take the metro around downtown and take some shots with all the different lenses. Here I was able to punch in a little bit at 2x just right on the phone, and it just maintains such great sharpness and clarity. Even while trying to focus on a long distance subject, it's still able to keep the blur on the foreground on the background. We went into the Caesar's Palace, and despite the low light, it was still able to capture the busts of those Roman and Greek gods from afar, and I was able to even capture this fun animatronic from a distance.
I beg you, my children, destroy no more.
The next lens here that you can pick is the 16mm wide. This is my favorite by far. It just grants you such photographic clarity, 16mm, but you don't have any kind of bowing. You can still have good bokeh and vlog with it. This was my go-to for my vlog that you guys can check out down below. I'll have the link there if you want to see what it looks like when I primarily shoot on this lens. Don't splash.
Tiger's blood is what they should cook in it. Strawberry. What color do you want? I want green. What color cup do you want? Blue. Blue? Okay. What color cup? Hey. Yeah, thanks. Or mango. Do you want mango? Okay, cool.
I got tiger's blood, blue raspberry, and monster mango.
Theodore, okay?
What colors did you get, Els?
All of them.
No, all of them, huh?
This is gonna fall.
You can get more.
Flynn. You have an auxiliary lens here. This is the 10x traditional macro, which is great here with the diffusion hood, as well as really high quality here around the back as well. Swapping it out here for the 200-degree fisheye. I didn't get too much of a lens distortion. What's really nice here is the fisheye gives you clarity and such a wide angle here to be able to shoot low. If you want to do skateboarding, extreme sports, it looks great here on the 1X lens here of the iPhone. Lastly, down the middle here, you have the 1.33 anamorphic as well as the 1.55 anamorphic. These are awesome to be able to level up your lifestyle. As you can see, both lenses are really high quality. They've got the blue flare. This is the 1.33x, this is the 1.55x, giving you that cinematography movie look when you're shooting with your phone. Lastly here, they do have their own patented CPL and ND filters. What's great here is they can screw off and mount to the respective lenses. You can also fit it into the anamorphic lenses, or if you just wanted to have the filter mount in ND with just the native lenses on your phone, you have that option as well. If you wanted to add a great ND filter up to ND filter stop of 64, as you can see here, you can turn it all the way to 64, or you can go as high as 16, which is really, really nice. I really like that look. It looks fantastic in the hand. Well, my punginos, that about does it here. I think this is an awesome way to be able to level up your cinematography here. These lenses are such high quality. If you want a more robust review of each one of these, including the case itself, I highly recommend checking down below or up above to be able to check those out. Otherwise, check out the campaign. It is live right now. You can get yourself your hands on all of these products early if you make sure and click it in time. Otherwise, check the links for the product pricing and availability. They did provide this to me complimentary. Everything else I purchased myself. Nonetheless, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one.